Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chimney cake at home. Begin by activating yeast in warm milk, then mix in eggs, butter, sugar, and flour to form a pliable dough. Let the dough rise until doubled, then portion, roll into ropes, and wrap around greased cones. Brush with butter, coat in cinnamon sugar, bake while turning until evenly golden, and finish by filling or serving hot and fresh. For ingredients, gather warm milk, yeast, sugar, eggs, butter, and flour along with cinnamon sugar for coating. Measure ingredients precisely and keep butter softened for easier mixing. Use greased cones or makeshift substitutes and a rolling pin to shape ropes evenly. Have a brush and baking setup ready so you can coat and bake without delay. Preheat your oven or grill to maintain steady heat for even browning on all. Start by proofing yeast in warm milk with a little sugar until foamy, then add eggs, butter, and flour to form a soft dough. Knead until smooth and elastic, then cover and let rise until doubled in size. Divide and roll into even ropes, wrap them around greased cones, brush with butter, and coat in cinnamon sugar. Bake while turning for uniform color, then remove, cool slightly, and fill or serve warm for best flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.